it up now, you could help me put it down.
No.
Why?
Yeah, man.
So you keep on a look on it, you keep on a look on it.
Distract me.
I'm not distract you.
Novo Pandora.
What kind of shop there, some friend?
Really?
What go on? What kind of shop there, sir?
Give me the shop juice in there. So,
I just juice and thing?
you didn't meet one girl at Apple Friend, she tell you, say, I might love you.
Yeah.
And me.
Big up here.
Girl.
Yeah, big up here.
Big up yourself, really.
Alright, me circle back. Back. My friend, you don't know no place. Whoa. You don't know no place where would I sell some winning the parts. Mixed parts.
Mixed part.
Yeah.
They don't listen.
Eh?
You want mix one more mixed part, you want to just in your pants.
But, you know, are you with C, you know?
Me, see?
Yeah, you with C, man. Watch it, behave yourself. What is your... Yeah, I don't see you, man, you cross your leg, I don't know where you hide.
Man, on the pants, stand up for anybody.
I'm not on my pants for stand up for anybody. Calm down now. I just you my approach and it just behave yourself. Warm to you. Oi. Yeah, but right amount now we have a problem.
Kind of problem.
You know, see you, it hurt me like... Could it help me?
Chop it off?
I not for chop. When me I chop? Why I need for chop it off?
Chop it off?
Why me I chop it off?
Stand up to everybody.
It not gonna out for stand up for everybody. It not stand up for everybody. Are you move forward and see? Eh? What you say?
You don't want no more mixed parts than what you in your pants. Just make that clear.
No, but if it up now, you could help me put it down.
No.
Why?
Yeah, man.
So you keep on a look on it, I'm not distract you, calm down, man. You just a look, yo. What do you mean man can't manage it? Eh? You can't manage this, how you talk about? You don't know that if I brace it on you now, I say you jump.
Brace it on who? No matter with that.
Where's it going?
Shut the down this one.
Yeah, but you could have helped me with this. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you.
You don't chop it off, man.
I don't need to chop it off. It just needs somebody.
You just need somebody.
Mm.
Me? I'll find you.
Hmm?
I'll find you.
What do you mean? My waistline good, you know? What you say? What you
Somebody
say?
get them more for talk, you know.
So, what you say action? What you say action? So, I'm not full of action. I'm not talkative. No, tell me. Here.
Right now the sun hot. You see the place hot. Yeah, man.
So if the sun hot, now the best time, man.
Go relax and go down.
If I lay down, it I go stand up. That's why I say, if you go help me out, you see me?
Run up and down by the place. If you lay down, it go stand up.
I'm never yet see it so big, you know. Jeez, some pieces.
God help you so.
No, I just, if you're tight, you know, we can make a offer, you know.
Wait a damn minute.
If I put up an offer.
Offer
For really, jeez, wait. What you say?
No, man. Go on back down there, so you come too close now.
So you move, sir? Eh? So if I brace it for you, where you
Go
go?
on down there, son. Go on.
You're not just going like say you want it while ago, so oh you move, sir?
No. You're upset.
What's your girl, yeah? A bad man for my long thing.
I'm bad man if you have one.
You have one of this?
Man one bigger than that.
Your man can't bigger than this. I want to tell my girl, I know what kind of inch this.
Go on now, yeah, man.
So you move some, mama. If you could have helped me put it down, man. What you say, Gramps? This too big?
What?
This?
Pan?
No, this in my pan. Too big? Eh? What you say? Yeah, laugh. Yeah, laugh. Yeah, laugh.
Double love, yes.
Why?
Yeah, ask them to me.
He took me and ask you, eh? Eh, you mean you don't know? You don't see? Stop going like you don't notice. You notice, though.
Yeah, people, remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, Chiipz.
I got this banana chips for you. No, for you. This banana chips for you. Say I got this banana chips for you. Make you crunch it, crunch it. Ash.